This is week 118 of building our YouTube channel. Today we have 9,858 subscribers, which is exactly the same as the population of the city of Nagram in India. So far we have published 8,208 videos. In total we have generated 34,900 hours of watch time, or 3 years, 359 days. In this series we review our weekly statistics and talk about YouTube business strategy and the creator economy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. For more resources and useful links, check out our description. So let's jump into the YouTube studio. So here we are in the YouTube studio. These are the stats for the last 7 days. As you can see, our channel have generated 95,000 views in the last 7 days, 1,000 hours of watch time, 257 subscribers, and $213. Let's see some statistics from the last 48 hours. So as you can see, we have started publishing some YouTube shorts, and those are these little jumps in the statistics, because usually the YouTube shorts tend to blow up at the beginning, and after that they start to generate views at a slower pace. But as you can see, some of our older videos from 1 or 2 years back are still in the best, in our top view generating statistics. So that's pretty much it for this week. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments, because we are going to answer all of them in the next episode. And see you next week. Bye bye.